Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change content settings on X. Okay, so for this one I will use my browser because when I tried to do that using my mobile application, unfortunately I didn't manage to do that because I simply didn't see such a function. So if you have that problem as well like I did, so use your browser, but if you still use your mobile application, then do not worry, the process is absolutely the same. So just follow my steps and I'm convinced that you can do that. So I opened official website of X and sign into my account, and now I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen, then scroll down to settings and privacy and enter section that says privacy and safety, and now go to content you see, and this is what you're looking for. You're looking for this one, display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you don't want to see your sensitive content in your X feed, then you want to make sure that you do not have tick in this checkbox. So you will not see any sensitive content in your feed. But if you want to see sensitive content, then you want to put tick here in this checkbox so that it look like this. Yes, and actually additionally you can select, you can adjust to yourself if you want to see sensitive content while searching on X, so in your search results. So you want to see this line that says hide sensitive content. So if you want it to be hidden, then you have to put tick here in this checkbox, and if you don't want to see it, then remove your tick from this checkbox. So that's basically how we can change content settings on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.